Hi everyone, here is a one more video in the chapter Lines and Angles. So in the last video we learned about the types of angle. There is a one more type, supplementary angle. So I have taken a two different angles here. One angle is a 145 degree. (145 degree) and then another angle is a 35 degree. So we are going to find the sum of these two angles. When you are finding the sum of these two angles, we are getting a 180 degree. So when you are finding the sum of the angle, the sum of any two angle or sum of the angle is 180 degree. So in this we are writing always with the pair, not more than two angles, only always with the pair we have to write. So sum of the angle is 180, then the angles are known as supplementary angles. So we can add any two angle, and if the sum is equal to 180 degree, then we can call them as a supplementary angles. For example, I have taken a 120 degree and then second one is a 60 degree. So we are adding 120 and 60. What is the answer? Yes, which is equal to 180 degree. Suppose I am considering 110 degree and then the second angle is a 70 degree. So when you are adding, the angle is a 180 degree. So when the sum of the angle is 180 degree, then we can call these angle. What are these angles? 120 and 60. These two angles are known as complementary angles. 110 and 70 degree. These two angles are, when you are adding 120 and 60, which is equal to 180 degree, then we are calling as a supplementary angles. Same thing, 110 degree plus 70 degree, when you are adding, we are getting a 180. So that is also supplementary angle. So the sum of any two angle, we are getting a 180 degree, we can call them as a supplementary angle. Suppose I am adding 90 degree and 90 degree. Is it a supplementary angle? Yes. So here angle and its supplement both are same, but when you are adding which is equal to 180 degree, so we can call these two angles as a supplementary angle. Like a complementary angle, here also two more types. Adjacent supplementary angle and non-adjacent supplementary angle. Same thing here, which is adjacent arm for the both angle. Yes, you are right, OB. So here the two angles, the first angle is a COB and the second angle is a AOB. For these two angles, OB is adjacent and we are adding and checking. Not all the adjacent angles are supplementary. The sum should be 180 degree. So we are adding 110 and 70. The answer is 180 degree and there is a common arm between these two angles. Then we are calling these two angles as adjacent supplementary angle. So the next side, I have taken a two more angle. There is no common arm between these two angles. What are the angles available? Angle ABC and then angle PQR. So these are the two angles available here, but there is no common arm for these two angles. So we are going to add it and check, and then only we are going to decide whether it is a complementary or supplementary or non-complementary, non-supplementary. After the sum only we can say. So 79 plus 101. What is the answer? Yes, 180 degree. So when you are adding and getting the answer as a 180 degree and there is no common arm between the angle mean, we can call them as a non-adjacent supplementary angle. So let's recall today's portion. When you, in this video, we learn when you add any two angle and the sum is 180 degree, then we can call those two angles as a supplementary angles. Bye bye. Let's meet in the next video.